Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a webinar platform with Zoom, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy a webinar platform with Zoom, first, ensure you have a Zoom account. Log into your Zoom account using your credentials. Navigate to the My Accounts section in the top right corner. In the left menu, click on Admin to access the admin panel. Select Account Management and then proceed to Billing. Confirm that you have the webinar add-on included in your plan. If not, click on Upgrade to purchase the webinar add-on. Once you have the add-on, return to the admin panel. Click on Webinars from the left-hand menu. Select Schedule a webinar to create a new webinar. Fill in the required details such as the title, date, and time of the event. Adjust the duration to match your webinar's expected length. Choose the type of webinar, either one-time or recurring. Set the registration options according to your audience's needs. Decide if you want to enable video for hosts and panelists. Select any additional settings, such as enabling a waiting room or allowing Q&A. Review the registration settings for collecting attendee information. Determine the maximum number of participants allowed in the webinar. After entering all the necessary details, click Save. A confirmation screen will pop up. You will see options to add panelists if you choose to. To invite participants, click on the Invitees tab after saving. Copy the invitation link to share with your audience. You can also send invites directly through email using Zoom. As your webinar date approaches, prepare your presentation materials. Run through a test session to familiarize yourself with the platform features. Practice presenting with any co-hosts or panelists you will be using. On the day of the webinar, log into your Zoom account ahead of time. Start the webinar by clicking on the Start button next to your scheduled event. Check audio and video settings to ensure everything is working properly. Engage with your audience through polls or the Q&A feature during the event. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.